Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 77 of sales training program. Selling intangible. If you are selling an intangible product where the prospect may or may not be in a position to benefit from the values contained in your offering, you usually need to take more than one call. On the first call, you merely separate prospects from suspects. You ask questions and qualify the prospect to determine whether or not he can benefit from what you sell. You find out his exact needs and then arrange to return for a second appointment with some recommendations and perhaps a written proposal. Planned presentation. One behavior that separates highly paid professionals from poorly paid amateurs in the sales profession is the planned presentation. The planned presentation is 20 times more powerful than the spontaneous presentation. All sales professionals in the top 10% use a planned presentation. The low money earners, those in the bottom 80% of sales people, simply say whatever comes out of their mouths when they meet with their customers. For example, if you are selling a new piece of computer software, you would show the prospect the software loaded onto the computer. You would then tell the prospect how the software can improve his business. Finally, ask a question. Would this be helpful to you in your business? What it is versus what it does. There are two different approaches to presenting any product or service, one used by the professionals and the second used by amateurs. The first approach, used by highly paid professionals, is to focus on what the product does. The second approach, used by low paid amateurs, is to focus on what the product is. This is the end of part 77 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for you. If you are interested, I can psychologically analyze you and make you the best in sales in your domain. Kindly contact me using the telephone numbers available on this video. You can also subscribe to this channel so that you can train yourself by looking at this video. Thank you. Good day to you.